So before I do my what I ate today video, I wanted to share with you guys another YouTuber's channel, and this is Mel. She does what I ate today videos and other Weight Watcher stuff. So if you guys are looking for someone else to follow along on their weight loss journey, I recommend you follow her. Her channel is amazing. So make sure you subscribe. The link will be down below. So now for my breakfast, this was made the night before. It's overnight oats, and I just mashed 2 bananas and added cinnamon, half cup of almond milk, and then I got some plain non-fat yogurt, and I put in a cup of that, and then a little bit of vanilla, and then I mixed that up, and then after that I added half cup of oats and mix that up, of course, and after that it went straight into the refrigerator.
Tomorrow.
And it was all set in the morning, and I added more cinnamon powder because I love cinnamon, and then about half tablespoon of chia seeds and strawberries, and there was my breakfast. Super delicious and something that really filled me up, so that was really good as well. But I just loved making overnight oats like this. So I wasn't sure exactly what I was going to make for dinner, but I did want to marinate chicken. So I just got a little bit of olive oil and water and balsamic vinegar. And then I added a little bit of salt and then some garlic pepper seasoning, mixed that up. And then I just poured it on top of the chicken and put that in the refrigerator to marinate until it was dinner time. So now I'm just having a little snack. I have some of the fat-free Cool Whip and just added some fruit on top for my daughter and I. And yeah, so I had that. But then I wanted to put these in the freezer here. So I just got the Light and Fit Greek strawberry yogurt, and I just dipped it in there, put it on the parchment paper, and then that went in the freezer as well. And I ended up eating the rest of the yogurt that I did not have, so I added that at the end. Then for lunch, I just rinsed some mushrooms and I started to cook those. I added some pepper, of course, because I add pepper on almost everything. And then I also squeezed lime on it. If you guys have not had lime on top of mushrooms, you are missing out because it is the best ever. And no, there's not any oil in this pan. And now I'm just getting a little bit of the grilled chicken breast strips and a little basil cube that I dropped in there. You can find them at the grocery store. They're really cool. And then I added some raw zucchini, and I mixed that all together, and I added more lime, of course. And then I added some soy sauce by Trader Joe's, the low sodium one, and then sriracha, mix that up, and ta-da, this was my lunch, and it was super good. And then after that I had a chia bar by Trader Joe's, and this is delicious. I can't even tell you enough how delicious it is. It looks like bird food, right? But it's so good, and for only 3 points. So now come dinner, I finally got my chicken and I just placed it in my air fryer. I love making chicken this way, you guys. It's super easy. So 15 minutes at 360 each side. And then I got these Mission Street tacos, and I just put them in a muffin pan, and I ended up mixing the chicken with some salsa to give it some more flavor, and it actually tasted good with it being balsamic chicken. I know at first it was kind of weird. I was nervous about it, but I ended up doing it. So I added some fat-free cheese in the bottom of the tortilla and on top, and I placed it in the oven for, it was 18 minutes for me, but make sure you double check yours just until the cheese melts. And yeah, there's my dessert from what I made earlier, and I ate the whole thing, yes, while watching Vanderpump Rules. And there you go. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to Mel, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.